so cold. It's winter here. Oh cool, these are a good size, so now I know that they're going to be the right size and that they feel right. Once I've tested them out, I'm probably going to put a sticker on them. And these are the fish. You wouldn't know, but I'm telling you, those are the fish. These are much more easily identifiable as the bubbles. These are my fish cards. Get them out. Come on. There we go. Oh yes, that looks lovely on the back. Well, and the fishies. I'm pleased with that. Well, those have come out really well. Happy. Yay. Now, let's see these expensive accordion boards. Well, expensive compared to using a mat or something. Cool. Oh, yeah, they're worth it. They're very nice. So you can play on either side. There's no rule. It's just a personal preference thing. Seeing as they're automatically printed both sides, I thought might as well do 2 versions so people can choose. Feels lovely. Yay, bubble net. Bloop.